Oh, maybe I can't trust nobody, and I'm tired of sorries. Oh, I don't need apologies. Maybe I should just leave you. Oh, I should I believe you or not? I see right through you, 'cause you wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would. Wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would. Maybe I should turn the lights out, 'cause I don't want to be let down. So I got to go now. Babe, I try, but you do not want this. So I'm being honest, and I wish you the best, 'cause you wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would. Wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would.
You're 80% and all you give me is 20. You use it up and you send it to hoes and facets were empty. And every girl I did yam at least once up in them 20s or even up to them 30s. But scratch that one, me go learn this. Signs them you have to see that like message what me I read back like Jaime and the Libra like stop like what's it for you back. Wouldn't get her own, so love so how me for relapse. One time was just a mistake, but 2 times I know you's a idiot.
You wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would. Wouldn't pay the price for me, wouldn't roll the dice for me, couldn't sacrifice for me, but I would. Baby, you wouldn't do the same. I would.